Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce ourselves. We are from Group 1 and will be presenting about communicating the concept and definition of political science, the concept and definition of public policy and identifying the relationship patterns between the two scientific concept theoretical and practical. First, Dipa will be right. To Dipa, time is yours.
Thank you, moderator. Um, Now I will explain about concept and definition of political science. The word politics originates from the Greek word polis, meaning city-state. The term politics refers to various activities, including the goals of the system and the implementation of those goals in general. Politics is in study of the power relations, both among citizens, between citizens and the state, and between states. In a general sense, politics means various activities within a political system or state that involves in the process of determining the goals of the system and implementing those goals. These activities include first decision making, which means concerning what's the system objective are the second, general policies or public policy, which means concerning distribution and allocation values in society. And third, to implement this policy, power and authority are required to foster cooperation and resolve conflicts that arise. Next. According to Aristotle, politics is an effort or way to obtain something desired. Paul Janet, the science that regulates the development of the state and the principle of government. Next, Laswell said that political sciences is the science that study influence and power. Johann Caspar Blunci, science that pays attention problem statehood with fight for understanding and comprehension about the country and its conditions, characteristic basically in various form of manifestation is construction. And then W.A. Robson, studying power in society, its nature, basis, process, scope, and results. Next. Politics also contain basic concepts, namely, first, state is an organization in a region that has supreme legal authority and is obeyed by its people. Second, power, the ability of a person or group to influence the behavior of other people of group according to the perpetrator's wishes. Third, decision-making is the process of choosing between various alternatives until a decision is reached. Fourth, policy is a collection of decisions made to choose goals and how to achieve those goals. And fifth, distribution is the distribution and rationing of values in society. Thank you.
Thank you, Dipa. Next, it will be read by Acha. To Acha, time is yours.
Okay, I will continue the material. Characteristic of political science. M. Hutauru. First, determining principles. Establishing principles that are used as benchmark in running the government. Second, government evaluation. Studying government behavior, pointing out what is right, wrong, and suggesting improvements. Third, citizen behavior, studying the political behavior of citizens, both individually and in groups. Fourth, social and international plans, observing and reviewing social plans, prosperity and international cooperation. Concept and definition of public policy. Pasolong 2007 policy is a series of alternatives ready to be chosen based on certain principles, the result of an in-depth analysis of various alternatives that leads to the decision on the best alternative. Nurkolis 2007, organizational decisions that are intended to achieve certain goals, contain provisions that can be used as behavioral guidelines in decision-making and policy implementation. Thomas Ardai, 1992, is whatever the government choose to do or not to do. Whatever the government choose to do or not to do, public policy is how the government takes action that benefits life holistically and does not harm citizens. Next concept in the definition of public policy, problem formulation, decision making, implementation, and impact evaluations. First, policy process, a series of stages. Problem formulation, decision making, implementation, and impact evaluation involves interactions between stakeholders. Second, public purpose aims to achieve the welfare of society as a whole, improving the quality of life, reducing poverty, improving education, protecting the environment, and maintaining social justice. Third, decision-making involves analysis of various factors, economic, political, social, cultural, and environmental, based on information, risk assessment, and experts or stakeholder consultation. Thank you.
Thank you, Acha. Next, it will be read by Fahmi. To Fahmi, the time is yours.
Okay, I will continue the material. According to Solihin Abdul Wahab, public policy is a unique activity with a characteristic that other types of policies do not have. Uh, First, directed action. Public policy is a deliberate action that is carried out and directed toward a specific goal, not deviant, haphazard, or accidental behavior. Second, relate patterns. In essence, it consists of interrelated and pattern action leading to certain goals carried out by government official. Uh, Third, real government action. Policy is what the government actually doesn't certain areas. For example, regulating trade, controlling inflation, or eradicating corruption. Uh, Fourth, positive or negative. Public policy can be positive or action to solve a problem, or negative, no action taken, and has curve power that private policy does not have. Next, relationship politics as a sort of public policy. Public policy is born from a political process that involves the description of power and interest of politics as a source of policy formation. First, the government as the holder of political authority make policies to respond to public problems. Second, public policy is the output of the political system through the interaction of state institution, political parties, and society. Political science studies first political decision making process. Second, power relation in government. Third, conflict and compromise between political actor. All of this influence the direction and content of public policies produced by the government. Relationship, politic system, and arena interest. B. Political system as a framework for policy analysis. Input or social demands, political process or political institution, political output or government impact or public. C. Politics as an arena for the battle of interest. Modern political theory views public as an arena for political contestation between various actors, political parties, interest group, bureaucracies, and civil society. As actor seeks to influence the content of policy to suit its own interest. Therefore, public policy is often the result of political compromise between various interests within the political system.
Thank you, Fahmi. Next, it will be read by Hasnaini. To Hasnaini, the time is yours.
Thanks, moderator. I will explain the next material, still about relationship, politics, and policy implementation. Point D, politics as a determining factor in policy implementation. The first, political power. The distribution of power between government institution and political actor determines the success of implementation. The second, bureaucratic structure. The capacity of the bureaucracy and governance of the implementing organization influence the effectiveness of the policy. The third, government legitimacy. A legitimate government find it easier to gain public compliance in implement policies. And the fourth, community support. Active and support from citizens are essential for policies to be successful in the field. Next, relationship, agenda setting, and policy formulation. Point A, politics in determining the policy agenda. Connection between knowledge, politics, and policy public in a way practical can see the stage determining the policy agenda. At this stage, science political explain how something problem public can enter to attention government format into policy. Not all problem public in a way automatic become public policy, but must through a political process involving various actors like government, party politics, group interests, mass media, and society civil for resolved by the government. Point B, politics in the policy formulation process. Relationship patterns next seen at this stage formulation policy, namely the process of formulating various alternative policy for overcome problem public. Instead, this science political play a role explain interaction between a actor political like government, institution, legislative, bureaucracy, group interest, as well as organization public in formulate policy. Formulation study policies show that policy public often birth from the negotiation and fighting process interest between actors in system politics. Point C, politics in policy implementation. Connection particle between knowledge, politics, and policies. The public is also visible at this stage implementation policy. Implementation is in an implementation process policies that have been determined by the government through various institutions and organization bureaucracy. In practice, success implementation policy not only determined by quality policies made, but also influenced by condition politics, support from actor politics, as well as connection between government and society. Implementation policy involving various actors like government, central government regions, bureaucracy, and society as recipient policy. Therefore, the dynamics political like conflict interest, support political, as well as stability government can influence effectiveness implementation policy. And the last point is point Z. Politics in policy evaluation and change. Connection between knowledge, politics, and policies. The public is also visible at this stage evaluation policy. Evaluation is an assessment process to success or failure something policy in reach goals that have been set. Change power politics, change government, as well as pressure from group interests can cause something policy rephase, discontinue, or replace with policy new. With thus, the policy public nature dynamic and always develop in accordance with change condition politics that occur in a country. Okay, all about me. I will back to moderator.
Thank you, Hasnaini. Next, it will be read by Dewa. So, Dewa, the time is yours.
Thank you, moderator. I will continue the material. The next material is a case study. It's Indonesia's participation in the Board of Peace for supporting Gaza Peace 2026. Indonesia is known on commitment strong in God of World Peace. This is line with mandate opening the 1945 Constitution, which states that Indonesia is participation carry out world order based on independence, peace eternal, and justice social commitment the realized through various policy foreign countries of a nature free and active. One of them thought Indonesia is involvement in various international forums aimed at forward global stability and peace. One of enough step become attention is Indonesia decisions to join on the board of peace BOP in 2026. Indonesia's participation in the board of peace began when President Prabowo Subianto signed charter or the charter of the board of peace on January 22, 2026 in Davos, Switzerland in serious World Economic Forum activities. The Board of Peace is an international forum that aims for help supervise and support the stabilization and reconstruction process, as well as rehabilitation of conflict areas, especially in the Gaza Strip, which has been for years experienced conflict prolonged between Israel and Hamas. Through participation, this Indonesia is trying to show his commitment in support effort, peace, and help create stability in the Middle East region. The Indonesia government emphasized that participation in the Board of Peace is for diplomacy active Indonesia support struggle people Palestine. Minister of Foreign Affairs Sugiono stated that Indonesia's involvement aims for help push settlement conflict in a way peace as well as supporting the post-conflict recovery process in Gaza. In addition that Indonesia is also committed for keep going give support humanity for affect communities conflict. This is how that Indonesia doesn't only play a role in a diplomatic for international but also strive give contribution real in Goa world. This is a critical response and analysis. The supportive views. The first is in line with the principle of Indonesia is free and active foreign policy. Number two, strengthening Indonesia position at the global level as a country that actively maintain world peace, opening of opportunity for international cooperation in the field of humanitarianism and reconciliation and conflict areas. Number four, it's concrete manifestation of active diplomacy and struggle of the Palestinian people. Okay, thank you for the material. I will be back for the moderator.
Thank you, Dewa. Next, it will be read by Haziah. But to Haziah, the time is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. I will continue the material study chronology of Indonesians joining. In a way overall, case Indonesians joining the Peace Council show how Indonesian is trying operate political free aboard active in face dynamics connection international participation. This reflects Indonesians' effort to contribute in global diplomacy as well support creation, world peace through work the same international and settlement conflict in a way peace. Thank you. I will back to moderator.
Thank you, Haziah. That concludes our presentation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.